Let's build that chest. Keep your core tight and elbows at 45 degrees. Lower down with control, feeling the chest and tris burn. Explode up, great form. 2 more reps. Let's do push-ups. Keep your core tight. Down and up, feel the burn. Chest and triceps firing. Keep going. Almost there, finish strong. Great set. Push-ups. 4 sets of 15 reps. Let's go. Lower with elbows at 45 degrees. Keep your core tight. Push up strong. Feel your chest and triceps working. That's it. Keep the burn going for the full 2 minutes. Almost there, finish strong.
Push-up power. Activate your chest, triceps, and core. Keep your form tight. Lower down, then push up. You're almost there. Finish strong. Great set.
Let's do push-ups. Lower your body, keeping your core tight. Push back up. Feel your chest and triceps working. Keep going. You got this. Focus on form. Lower down with control. Chest and triceps are firing. Power up. Core locked. Drive through the floor. Finish strong. Perfect reps.
পুশ-আপের সময় পেক্টোরালিস মেজর এবং ট্রাইসেপস জাকেট প্রাথমিকভাবে কাজ করে। ডেল্টা এবং সেই রোটেট ইনহিউনাস 3 নম্বর শরীরকে স্থিতিশীল রাখে। প্রতিটি রিপিটিশনের সাথে ইলনটি এটি খুনে শলকে বিকন ফিটনেস পুশ-আপ করুন।
A key exercise for upper body strength. The pectoralis major, triceps, and anterior deltoid are the primary movers. Core and leg muscles provide isometric stability. The push-up engages the pectoralis major and triceps brachii as primary movers. Stabilizers like the rectus abdominis and serratus anterior keep the body aligned. Perform controlled repetitions for optimal muscle development. Push-up engages multiple muscle groups. Let's see how. During the eccentric phase, you lower your body. The chest, triceps, and core muscles contract to... In the concentric phase, you press back up. These same muscles contract to generate push-up. The pectoralis major and triceps brachii are primary movers. The deltoids and serratus anterior stabilize the shoulders. The core muscles maintain body alignment throughout the movement.